welcome back to another vlog of Udaipur. Hey guys, this is Anji. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Hope you guys are staying safe, doing well. So आज के इस वीडियो में I'm gonna share my experience regarding Udaipur trip and this video will also help you to explore Udaipur और साथ साथ ये भी बताऊंगी कि कौन सी जगह आप उदयपुर में एक्सप्लोर कर सकते हो, विजिट कर सकते हो, even what will be the cost of entry ticket. The entire thing I'll be sharing with you guys. So let's get started. So guys, this is day 2 at Udaipur and day 6 of Rajasthan trip, and now we are staying at Asha Haveli Hotel, which we already booked through Weibo while making itinerary, which cost us rupees 1400 per head for standard non-lake facing room, which is walking distance to Jagat Niwas Palace. And if you guys are not aware of Jagat Niwas Palace, then please do check out my last video, as we were very tired after Jaisalmer trip, so we didn't explore much. So हमने जगत निवास को पैलेस को ही एक्सप्लोर किया. And so if you guys are planning for a luxury stay, do give Jagat Niwas Palace a try. It's a must try. I'll definitely recommend if you are traveling to Udaipur, you can stay over there. As in my previous video, I got a lot of queries regarding the fare charges of Jagat Niwas Palace. Although I already mentioned in the description link, as the cost may vary due to the pandemic situation. So Jagat Niwas Palace lake facing triple sharing room cost us around 11k per room, and standard double sharing room costs rupees 3500 around. Guys, if you are coming to Udaipur, you can also explore this Karni Mata temple. You can explore this place. It's a highly recommended place. It's a must visit place. You can also take auto or cab, which is directly available, which is easily available from the place itself to reach Karni Mata temple. और यहाँ से जो आपको व्यू मिलता है उदयपुर सिटी का, it's just beyond imagination. Oh my God, it's spectacular. और करनी माता टेम्पल जाने के लिए आपको टिकट लेना पड़ता है. आप रोपवे के थ्रू आप ट्रैवल कर सकते हो, विच विल कॉस्ट यू अराउंड 150. और हिस्ट्री इस मंदिर का यूँ है कि ये मंदिर महाराणा सिंह ने लेट 1628 में बनवाया था और 1997 तक यहाँ इस मंदिर में, ऐसा मैंने सुना है, कोई आता जाता नहीं था. आई डोंट नो हाउ इट बिकम पॉपुलर एंड फेमस, बट माना जाता है यहाँ पर जो भी आता है विशेज़ है पूरा होता है. और ये भी है कि आपका उम्र भी बढ़ जाता है. दिस टेम्पल इज़ ऑल्सो कॉल्ड एज टेम्पल ऑफ रैट्स. So if I missed any information, guys, you can also comment in the comment section below and you can share your opinions with me. Karni Mata temple is a temple with breathtaking view of Udaipur city. It's basically a Hindu temple located on the Manchala Magra hills. One can hike from the base or take a rope. Hey guys, good morning, and today is the day 6 and now we are in Karni Mata temple. And see the scenic beauty. It's so wonderful. If you wish to have snack or juice, you can also enter this Muchar restaurant. You can also explore Bahubali Hill, although it's a very less visited place, but the view you'll get, it's like OMG. It's as loving and peaceful. You're gonna just love the place, the view, especially at the morning time. The Bahubali Hills viewpoint is located at Badi Lake, approximately 13 km from Udaipur. Badi Lake is tucked behind the Aravali Hills, which is a range overlooking Udaipur, famous for the Monsoon Palace. It's true that the lake city of Udaipur is better known for lavish palaces, royal buildings, royal weddings, pre-wedding photo shoots. However, if you are visiting Udaipur and longing for an epic viewpoint or a break from the hustle and bustle, then I'll highly recommend making the trip to Bahubali Hills or Badi Hills. You can rent a motorbike to reach out over there, or you can plan with your friends to reach over there.
Here I am where the movie started, facing at a photo they've taken. Space tree flying through the skies and battles happen everywhere.
And lastly, we did boating at Fateh Sagar Lake, which is situated in the north of Lake Pichola, right across the Moti Magri Hill. Lake Fateh Sagar is the second largest artificial lake, which is a charming lake surrounded by hills and woods. This artificial lake was constructed by late Maharana Jai Singh in late 1678 AD, and it lies north of Lake Pichola. So there is no entry fee if you are visiting Lake Fateh Sagar. Boat ride timings are from 8 am to 4:30 pm. From Sunday to Monday. Time and fare may differ due to pandemic situation, so you can better check it out with the ticket counter. So for motor boat ride or for speed boat ride, it will equally cost you rupees 220, which will be the duration of 30 minutes. Although there are 3 islands which can be visited by motorboats, the calm blue surface of the lake set against the green mountains make Udaipur India's second Kashmir. So overall experience was so beautiful, so majestic, and I am now actually at loss of words. So you can enjoy your boat ride listening classical music in the background. Finally, our Rajasthan trip is over, and we really did enjoy our trip, and now we are all set to go back to our home. So that's it, guys. If you like the video, please hit the like button, share, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and do comment your opinions in the comment section below and let us know how you like the video. Did you really enjoy our virtual tour of Rajasthan? If you haven't checked out other vlogs of Jaipur, Jaisalmer and Udaipur, do check it out. And if we did missed any details, please let us know. Till then, bye bye, take care, stay healthy, stay safe. We'll meet you in the next video. Bye bye, take care.